Kia ora, Room 9, ko Mr. C tēnei anō, this is Mr. C again, and welcome to the Room 9 News for Rahina, the 11th of May. Haere mai, hoki mai, hope you all had a great weekend and managed to get out with the still this great weather we're having, and we've got some cool photos to share, good emails, ka pai, keep on with that good news, thanks for bringing on. Okay, let's start with Te Kupo Te Wiki. This week's word is hui, which is te reo for a gathering or an assembly or a meeting, as in e haere ana tātou ki te hui kura. We are going to the school meeting. Okay, let's talk about what everyone's been up to over the weekend, and here's some photos. Got an email from Zach. It says, "Hi Mr. C, today I got to help my mum and dad vaccinate a takahe at the bird park. It was fun. I was the official photographer. We all went so we could do it in our bubble together. We cleaned our hands with gel first and went inside the takahe enclosure. Mum and Dad caught the mum takahe that was in the pen. Then they caught the juvenile, which means the little one, the juvenile takahe that was that grew up at the bird park, and Dad gave it a vaccination, like a jab with a needle, so it doesn't get sick as it gets older. And Mum held onto its beak and sharp claws. We'll need another jab in 2 weeks' time. And I didn't like it much when the mum and the dad takahe made their loud alarm call, so I think they were worried that my dad was hurting their baby. But I know he was just keeping it safe. A bit like when we get jabs at the doctors. We washed our hands with gel again when we finished at the end. Health and safety first, says Zach. And I hope you have a great weekend from Zach. Oh, cheers Zach, what great photos, what a great thing to do. We've got more updates from Daniel, who's been going on walks with friends and family. Check out the beautiful car he made for his mum. What about helping around with the house? I've even got a video clip from here. Daniel, good on you, man. Proud of you, good on you. Okay, speaking of hanging out with whānau and mums in particular, here's Alice carving out a new hydroelectric geographical feature there, and we've got a wee video of her and a mum with Bruce.
Is it opening its eyes?
I don't know, I can't see its eyes. Bruce?
Bruce? Come here. Come here, boy.
That's crazy. That's an excellent wee video there. It's all about birds today. Ka pai. Okay, thanks for all the videos and emails. Keep them coming in. Loving it. Thank you. Okay, on to health and safety. Just like Zach said, keep up the good work with the washing of the hands. And there's a few hui, eh? A few hui on today. Everyone from the Prime Minister down, trying to work out what school's going to look like over probably the next week. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We'll let you know about all the goss as soon as we get it. Okay, weather for today looks a bit average. I've already walked the dog. Got some fresh air, if you know what I mean. A bit rainy, maybe. And then it'll be fine in the afternoon. Might take the dog for another walk. Okay, BFG News. It's all going well, isn't it? I've read and recorded another 2 chapters just for you, and emailed through the link, and it's also in the text box below. Alrighties, it's shut the box time. Okay, so I know I haven't been going too well, but cheer for me, because I'm sure I can do well. Alright, so let me see here. I've got my piece of, here we go. Yes, I'm all set. I've got to do better than last week, don't I? Okay, 5 and 2, that's 7. I'm taking the 7. Oh, 1 and 1. There's no guessing that, I know that. That's 2. Oh, a 5 and a 4 is 9. Oh, 3 and 1, I know 3 and 1, that's 4. Fingers crossed, this is about what I got. Oh, 6 and 2 is 8. Oh, I'm already doing better than Friday. 5 and 1 is 6. Ooh, here we go. If I roll a 9. Oh, 2 and 2 makes 4. Look at that, I can do that. I've only got one number there. That's actually pretty good. Look at that. That's not bad. I'm pretty happy. That's a good start to my week. Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the Room 9 team here at the Channel 9 studios. Ka kite pōpō. See you tomorrow. Haere rā, go well and stay classy, Room 9.